going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful weekend. Just chilling here at the trade stations, checking out my research. I was going to make this video on Friday, but just so much was going on during the week in the markets. So this is about swing trading in the newsletter. In tonight's video, I'm going to be going over some Canslim picks that I picked last weekend that got sent out to subscribers. Ruby, Vero, Pixy, Ardx. I'll show you the actual newsletter. We'll go through it. It's pretty amazing detail. That'll be the show. There's a special offer below to join. I've 4 new picks going out this evening that I think are going to do amazing this week. So let's go to the newsletter on 9/5. I'll show you actually the email that you got, and we'll head on over to my main screen. So here's the actual email that you got last Sunday as a subscriber on 9/5. Right here. Futures, which I gave a nice update. Always give an update on the futures. It was Labor Day weekend coming from a very red week the previous week. Glad I didn't send out any picks the previous week because that week was just terrible. You guys should grab a pen and a piece of paper. I'm going to go over the newsletter and with the Canslim system tonight. If you guys have any questions or comments, just put them in. And, there's my disclaimer, guys. Day trading and swing trading, extremely risky. You should be prepared to lose all the funds you have in day trading. Swing trading is more longer term. In particular, you shouldn't day trade with any retirement savings, student loans, mortgages, emergency funds set aside for the purposes such as education and home ownership and so forth. Guys, that's very important disclaimer. You know what I'm saying? Got to definitely put that out. I had it here in the beginning too, just FYI for your information. All right, so let's go over this now. So the newsletter, I sent out 6 picks. If you click here, you actually get the newsletter. It's a PDF. It's pretty beautiful. Let's blow it up. Ooh. Disclaimer here too, guys. Gotta have the disclaimers all over the place. Mojo swing trading. Listen in. Listen in. The structure. All picks have an emphasis on the small cap style of swing trading. The Mojo Swing newsletter contains high probability swing trade play setups. All the picks come with detailed charts, entries, exits, and stops. The model portfolio has longer-term holds labeled on the spreadsheet. All other picks are from previous newsletters. You're going to get every Sunday night 2 to 5 new picks. You're going to get PDF format. You're going to get stocks that may be in play during the week. This is an auto alert feature that sends out an email if the stocks hit a trigger price. 2 video updates per week. Stops should be followed as the model. Picks. We got some good ones. Heinz trade plays. Watch lists. Picks lists. I usually don't do the watch list. I'm just coming out with picks, guys. What's the Heinz trade play? Very important. Once the stock reaches 90 cents. It's a trade play that works with amazing consistency. At 90 cents, there's a 90% chance the stock is going to work. At 95 cents, $14.95, $5.95, $1.95, 95, $95. That's a magic number, 95. There's a 95% chance that's going to work. It'll move higher into 99 and the even par number. At that point, there's a 99% chance it's going to work. And that's how I do a lot of my swing trades and also my day trades and my futures trades. Swing trade structure, a 50-cent stock You should put $2,000 into it. The first entry, $500. The next entry, $500. The next entry, $1,000. A dollar stock, here's the criteria that I like. $3 stock, $5 stock, $10 stock. You're putting 5 G's or $500. You're putting $1,000 worth or $100 worth. Just take off a zero or add a zero. How does the Mojo system scale in and out using these 3 entries? All positions are completed with 3 buys as follows. Start off with entry buy number 1. This is the first and smallest buy of the 3. The buy is just to test the price to see which direction the stock is going to move, higher, lower, or the same. 3 things are going to happen from entry number 1. It's going to go higher. Do buy number 1, wait for the first dip after making a new high for the day and get your number 2. The number 2 should be doubling the amount of shares you did on number 1. Separate the buys by 1 or 2 price increments. So if you're buying at $4.95, it runs to $5.30 and dips to $5.20. There you go. Do $5.20. Sounds good. If the stock closes within 10% of the daily high, buy number 3 at the close. All 3 are done in the same day. It's moving in the right direction. At the end of the day, you're going to have a cost average lower than where it closes. Number 2, if it goes lower, do buy number 1 and have patience as the stock goes lower, looking to get buy number 2 at a few price increments, 2 or more lower. So if you're in at 95 or 90 and it goes lower, wait, don't go in at 80 and 70. Let's look at 60 and 50 and so forth. Both, whatever it may not move, whatever the low you think is of the day, and try to clip the low of the day, and then wait for the biggest buy the following day. See what it's going to do. Is it going to rebound back up, or is it going to continue and form a bottom, and then the first green bar back up, you can get in on number 3. If the stock stays the same, you do buy number 1. Have patience and execute number 2 as per above, higher or lower, and both buys are done in the same day. Buy number 3 is done the following day when the stock makes its first green bar higher. That's what you do on how you scale in instead of just taking one shot at it. We're going to use this video for people that are subscribing to the newsletter for the first time. It's going to be an explanation video on how the newsletter works. Selling for profits. If you get a pick at $4.95, $3.95, and it goes up 5% the next day or the day after, 10%, or whenever it moves, 20%, 50%, like the one we did last week, went up 60% in one day. Use your discretion. Watch the price action and volume. Always sell half the position for a profit. Maximize by raising the mental trailing stop on the other half of the position. So if you're in at $4.95, you're selling at $5.55 or $6.05. Put your trailing stop in if you sold at $6.05 to like $5.75, and don't sell the other half lower than you did on the first half. Okay? Trail the new highs the stock is making. When it reverses, it'll stop you out for a nice profit. Don't sell the second half lower than the first, and don't let a profit turn to a loss. You can't lose on the trade. Don't wait for my signal to tell you to take a profit. Mental stop losses. We monitor mental losses. These are not like, these are small cap stocks, good growth, small floats, and we don't put in physical stop losses. We monitor. You should have it on your phone. Check your orders and your positions a couple of times per day. Stop orders become market orders. The market makers could see them. It becomes hard for the stock to go higher when everyone's putting in discounted orders below the current price. Okay? Everyone, the picks come with 5 to 10% normal fluctuations. Anything over 15%, just cut it and we'll reevaluate the situation. Don't wait for my signal to cut at 15%. There was my analysis for the week last week, Labor Day weekend, coming from a very red week. Glad I didn't send out any picks last Sunday. They would not have worked well, but this week we may see a trend up with stabilization to move sideways. It's going to be a stock picker's market, and there's no one better at picking stocks than myself. Staying in strong top industry groups, my plan is to select stocks making moves higher. The trend is our friend, and stocks in motion will stay in motion. Everyone has access to view this Google Sheet right here. And anytime I make a change on this sheet, you'll get notified. You go into Tools, and you go into Notifications, and anytime there's a change to the sheet, you put your email in, you'll get a notification that there's a change been done. And this is the master sheet of all the picks over 10 years. You can see month by month, March of 2000, all the blues are winners, 100% that month, 100% that month, and 100% this month. So 3 months in a row, 100% without any losers picked. 70%, 25, 44, 15, 21, 21 names you know. Vero, which, hey, Vero is the one I'm going over tonight. Look, at $1.85 to $2.25. Hey, been in it before. Pixy as well, Pixy. What I'm going to go over, Pixy right here. Shift Pixy at 940 to 1940. Shift Pixy from 47 cents. Took a loss on it there. 15%, guys, you're out. Shift Pixy. Played it in 9/15 of 2019. Look at these. These are greatest stocks. Nice winners. You've heard of a lot of these. Tilray, Vapotherm, Moderna, Dynavax, Paratium, Zynga. You've heard of all these. Absolutely. You have Riot Blockchain at $2. Gotta love that. My Size. I like My Size again right now, actually, where it is at 25 cents. So that's what you get, is that Google Sheet. I have 6 stock picks this week from largest to smallest. The first one is NBEV, which is a former pick. If you go back to the swing here, let's put in NBEV for the master. NBEV 6 times. So NBEV at $1.75 to $2.55 for 45%. NBEV again, right here, $3.05 to $4.25. Now it's 15 cents. They're doing a loss of 44. 4 good quarters of good earnings and some volume. So let me come in here right now. I'm going to show you right here what the Canslim system is. CANSLIM. The C and the A is right here. 53%, 97%, 98%, 59%. Done. The N, what's new about it? They manufacture non-alcoholic beverages. They may get a new CEO. Something new may happen. They may get a buyout. SBEV, SBEV, Splash Beverage got bought out or did something when I was in that last time. And something may happen with this company. NBEV. Energy drinks, futures, boom, boom. 15 cents, up on 1,000% volume on 132 million. Got volume coming in here. I think it goes above 33 and 21. That's NBEV, 15 cent. S is shares outstanding. It's got a bunch, 146 million. Let's take a new shot of this. So we're up to the N right here. The S is shares outstanding, 146 million. L, it's actually a group rating of A. So it is one of the leaders in its group, even though its accumulation distribution is a D in the D. That can only move higher. For its group rating, like it. I, institutional sponsorship, 8%. Right there, 8% in that green, 8%. M, market momentum. Hey, everybody needs needs drinks. And this one's a good candidate at 15. Low risk, high reward, base breakout, volume coming in. Bink. Done. Like it. What's up, William? Nice to see you. Thanks for saying hi tonight. So that was the first one. The next one, buyout candidate. I even wrote all about it. Vero. Told you at 54 cents. We were in Vero in the past. Let's go over Vero. Venus Concept. Why I did this one. CANSLIM. The 7 characteristics of the best performing companies of all time. I have them here. The current earnings and the annual sales up 19, 26, 17, and 6. That's some pretty good growth right there. Some pretty good growth. They're going to grow from 42 cents loss, 46-cent loss, but then they're going to quadruple it growth-wise from 46 to 14. So I know in 2023, it's simple. Watch. They're going to lose 14 divided by 4 is they're going to lose 3.5 cents a quarter versus a loss of 18. That's a 500% increase. 3.5 versus 8. So 200%, 300%, 400% increases over the next 4 quarters. How do I know that? Because they're already telling me they're doing 14. So I have the N. They design and develop image guide robotic systems. Okay. Volumes coming in 3,000%. 21 million. S, shares outstanding 65%, 65 million. A leader, yes, there's the A. Group rating A. Institutional sponsorship, yes, 29%. Market momentum, up 3,000% in volume. Vero. Let's take a look at what Vero did. Vero's at 70 right now. It went up to 77. So your stop is the bottom of this bar right here. 67. You don't want to go into that. Here's another one, 61. So keep it above 70 and you're good to go. Looking for the move up still into $1. Biggest bar was through 50 cents. Right here. Boom. Here's the pick from the newsletter. Gave it to you. Let me take a look at the... Here you go. From 54, now it's 77. Vero. Medical systems equipment industry. Going from a loss of 42 to 46 to 14 with the last 4 quarters all showing increases. This is what the newsletter comes to you every weekend. Detailed. Volume up 3,000% to 21 million. Risk 15%. There it is. Reward 50% plus. So it's at least 3 to 1 easy. Here's the next one. Ruby Red. I called it in the Mojo room. Ruby Hines. Going through Hines $1. See that? This one was a base breakout. Base breakout, which it's doing. Yes, sir. This one is the Hines trade through Hines $1. So what you want to do is you want to add, start at 93, add again at 95, add again at 98. You're in a full position. If you did this one, Ruby Therapeutics, you're looking hot to trot. Let's go. CANSLIM. Canslim, Mojo. The current earnings and the annual sales, dude, they're going from $2.23 loss to $1.90 to $1.65. And the analysts have given me a green light, increasing estimates for next year. Woohoo! Let's take it here. Let's take it here. This is easy. $1.65 divided by 4 quarters is 41 cents versus 55. Beat there. 40 versus 60. Beat there. Beat there. And beat there. Yes, sir. thank you. What do they do with newness besides going to hit new highs? They develop red cell therapeutics for the treatment of severe diseases. Yeah, the disease of not making 100% on my swing pick. Let's go. S, shares outstanding, 90 million. 90 million. L, leader, A+. Oh, dude, this one's an A+. That's in school, A+ was the best you can get, bros. I like it. The leader. Institutional sponsorship, yes, 57%. M, market momentum. They're up 800% in volume at 5 million versus a couple of 100,000. Ruby Red at 93. What did it do? Ruby went to $1.46. Nice, Moj. Red bar next, $1.38 the next day. You guys sold up beautifully from 95 last weekend, right there, 9.2, 9.6, went from 95 low to $1.24. Then you accumulated more, took a little profit, and then the rest, boom, $1.46 on Ruby Red. Ruby Doobie, Mojo. Nice. What's the next one? Ardx, base breakout. So this was the third pick you guys got in the newsletter. Damn, Moj. It's going to base out of this break right here to $1.16. Oh, it looks pretty good. Let's go CANSLIM. The C and the A, they're going to go $1.52 loss. Then 69, then 37. Whoa. Dudes. From $1.50 to 37 is a 500% increase. They're going to do 37 cents divided by 4 is 9-cent loss per quarter versus 42. It's a 300% increase in this quarter, 250 in this, 150 in that, and huge in that, dude. The next 4 quarters are going to be huge. Should easily go through 138 and 116 in my Canslim Mojo opinion. It's at $1.09, 144 million, 19% owned by funds, up 500% in volume at 19 million versus 2. What did it do? Do you still have time to get in on Ardx? $1.28 from $1.09. Moj, you did it again, 136. Look at the consecutives. Ooh, is she going over 150? She going over 150? On its way, Moj. That's what I do, Moj. Want to see the next one, Moj? Dude, you want to see something? Look below in the description. I got a special for $49, guys. It's the only place you're going to find it. It's in the description below. It's a link that says 49 for Mojo Swing. Where is it? Is it in there? Nope. I'll give it to you here. Let me make sure. I thought I had it. And yeah, you need to jump all over that. Let's go. I think I have it down here. It's a $49 special link. Here it is. Put it in the chat area. Make sure it works. It does. So would it have been worth it, dudes, to make a banging credit card subscription for $49 tonight? Get it on the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Imagine if I went back and I delivered you a couple of months like this, dude. Look, January of 2021, not one loser. Look, what's this month? January, December. What's this month? Is it September? Let's go to September. September. I had a couple of losers, dudes. But I hit this one, Moderna, from $4.55 to $62. Holy kabam. Wow. Wow. What else did I hit that month? Was that COVID month? Oh, yeah. Yep. I hit, oh, I was in Tesla at 300. SPXU, drip. No, it wasn't COVID month, but I hit Moderna before COVID happened. I bet COVID was the next month. Here's my size at $1. COVID, October of 2020. I'll tell you right now, what was the name of that pick? Codex. Right here. Codex. 2/24 of 2020 was Codex. And that's when the, what was that other one? That was the teaching one. That was BFAM. Here. Right Family, Horizons. March of 2020. I picked it. These are all the ones I picked for online education. 113 to 130. Dr. Pepper. Education. I did really good in COVID time for the newsletter. 700% in WTRH. They were going to do delivery to your house. From 35 cents to 305. That was a big one. GNC in the mall from $1.05 to $1.20. But I picked Moderna before that. Moderna was big. All right, cool. So that was the first three. After that, I picked ASMB to go through Heinz 2. This one still you can get. I don't think this one's made its move yet. Look, Canslim. Ready? For $3 loss to a $1.40 loss. That's 100% increase. Cha-ching. So they'll do 20 cents. You know, $1.40 divided by 4, 35 cents a quarter. Beat that one, crush that one, beat that one, crush that one. The A+. They have an A+ out of the group. Love it. They develop drugs that hepatitis B and infections. Shares outstanding, perfect, 48 million. Institutions, 22%. Increase earnings estimates for the next 2 years. Thing's a golden gem to go through 242, 228, and 223. It's a golden gem. ASMB. Get off your ass and MB this shit right here. ASMB. Let's take a look. It's 202. It's just Heinz in right now. Look at this thing. 207 high. It's going to rip through the top of that 205, which it did. It's going to rip through the top of that 207. It's going to rip through the top of that 223. And it's going to rip through the top of that 242. Then I'm going to be like, number 4.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Nailed it!
Thank you. Thank you. Absolutely, ASMB. Get off your ass and MB that thing, man. Let's go to the next one. IRNT. Same thing. Heinz 2. To go through 2. Go through 2. Iron Net. Canslim. Iron Man. Come on, Iron Man. You got loss of $2 to a loss of 78 cents. That's 150% increase. Cha-ching. Right? Last 2 quarters even showing a little display of action. Low 201, high 273, 101 and 13%. They got a C-. Hey, but if we do a little scale up and breakout, that may get a little bit better. But I like it at $1.98 IRNT. It's 222. All right? It closed up huge, closed up again. Very nice, Mojo. 225. So I'm right on 1. I'm right on 2. I'm right on 3. I'm right on 4. I'm right on 5. 5 out of 5. So when you see this and you're like, dude, the guy's like, yeah, right, sure, he gets all these winners in a row. Yeah, I sure do get all them winners in a row. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Well, these numbers are off. Yes, sir. All right, let's go to the next. And I have this broken down month by month for 10 years on the bottom. So you can go to any month. October 2018, I was 14 for 14, average 32%. November 2018, 17 for 15, 88%. Next month after that, 100%. Next month after that, 100%. February 2, 100% again. March, very low trades there. Let's go May of 2020. Got a lot of trades. 81 out of 74, 91% average gain, 45%. Yes, sir. That was the newsletter. So I nailed it right on the head, guys. If you want to join, I got picks coming out tonight. 4 of them on my screen. I'm not going to show you what they are. Love to send you the newsletter. Be coming in like the next 30 minutes to your inbox. The same email you used to sign up with the credit card through the PayPal and the Stripe actions. Let's go. Let's go. Don't hold you back, dude. You'd be like, dude, Mojo picked them again this week because they're really good. Got some really, 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 really good ones. I do. So there's the links, dude. I ain't putting it out nowhere but on the show. Giving you guys a deal. And that's it, dude. That's what the Canslim system is, and that's why I picked last week. And the stock Pixy, I'll show you right here. We picked in the Mojo room. I would have loved to have you in the day trading in the Discord. Here's the Discord. You'll come welcome to the room. Ince is here. What's up? Finally, he's new. Pro Trader Ince. So when you come in, he just joined. I made him. So Ince, I'll find you in here. We'll find Ince. Where's Ince? Ince is probably down here. You've got you in the list. It's alphabetical. Here's Ince. So Ince now is a pro trader. Going to add you as a friend. So now you'll see a friend request from me. And then I'm going to change your nickname to Pro Trader Ince. He joined. See, now when he comes back on, he's going to do it. And then you come here in the trading pit on the left where my mouse is right here. And this is where we're doing all the action. So, hi guys. Excited. Good morning. Let's go, everyone. And then you connect to the voice chat right here. I'll be on the voice right here. I'll be sharing my screen right here. So I'll be sharing my screen so you'll see exactly what I'm trading when I'm trading it in the Mojo room. You can move this around. You can pop it out. You can do all that. Really nice. So let me show you the Pixy trade. So we started the day off, dudes. Really nice. You come in the morning. You click this. You'll connect to my chat. Then I gave out first trade of the day right here. Well, where is it? Pixie's going to 18. Hines. We know that, but that wasn't the first one, dudes. This was. Good morning. We're in the Mojo Hines power play day. Which one do I like? Oh, my former swing pick is in play. Last time I wrote it, it went from 9 to 19. Well, what's that at? 1350, 1360, 1375. Woo. Got a winner.
Damn, dude. Damn, chicka bow wow. Damn, chicka bow wow.
Got a winner. Even Mouse is all over it. This is a $1 million trader in the room. Gotta love the Mouse. Good morning, Mr. Mouse. Love him. So it was 14. Whenever it touches 11, should go to 19. Let's see if it does that. Oh, went right to 19. So now we're at 19. And here's my Pixy pick. In 2019, I picked it at 49 cents. Going from a loss of 58 to a loss of 14, 36 million, 4 good quarters, hitting through the circles, just like I just did with you guys. Just like I did. There's 22. Look, here's Heinz 22. 2183 new high going to 22. Bam, just Heinz 22. See? Heinz 22. Bam. Look, Heinz 23. It's 8:44 in the morning. Traded 1.8 million shares going through 23. The highest 23.14. There's a signal at 17 going right through that. Now it's 24. 23.99 going through 24. Dudes, I gave this thing to you at 14. 14. Here's 24.29. High 50. Just set a new high. Headed to 25 now. Wowzers. Mojo should be there. Top 13 points in the pre-market. What a moneymaker. Great pick, Mojo. Great pick. I gave him the fire. Okay. Way to go after that. It went to $30. That was UCO. Oh, it did go to $30. 25.85 through 26. Here's 26.60. Here is 27.80. It closes right here, guys, at $30. Look. Way to close. It closed. AMC I picked through the $9 high. It went to $9.50 on AMC. AMC new high. Been said it all day long. The weekend, and that was it, guys. That's the Mojo Room. So thanks again for watching my update and what I do. And peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Everybody keep it profitable. What you're going to need to do is subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and a notify. This way Google and the algorithms know that you liked it, and they're willing to show it to other people. He was a cute little bird right there. So subscribe to my channel. Get notified, guys. And yeah, definitely do that. Let me stop the screen share for a moment. There we go. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next Mojo Show. Peace.